Hi, thank you for joining me for Trading Up, and today's conversation starter is, why is there a downturn in Bitcoin and most cryptocurrencies as we start the month of February? Today is February 2nd, and I have my chart up for Bitcoin, and we see that Bitcoin is currently under $80,000. It's 78,221 at the second. Okay, so what else we're going to talk about today? Why the downturn in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. So let's talk about a few reasons. One reason is that there are significant ETF outflows. So spot Bitcoin ETFs have experienced substantial selling pressure with over $700 million in a single day in outflows as investor conviction is tested. All right, so that's one reason. Two, there are a lot of macroeconomic pressures right now. So a risk-off environment is prompting investors to reduce exposure to volatile assets. Because of this, the concerns over tight financial conditions and potential interest rate hikes are causing a downturn in volatile crypto assets. And we know that in crypto, there is a lot of volatility anyway, but because of these macroeconomic pressures, a lot of investors are taking a risk-off approach to investing. Also, leverage liquidations. There's been a massive wave of liquidations, over $2 billion, which hit both long and short positions as the prices dropped. So it exacerbated the downward trend. So a lot of leverage liquidations have been occurring. Also, there are a lot of geopolitical risks and regulatory uncertainty. We're still waiting for that clarity bill, trying to get some clarity in this crypto space. Rising tensions in the Middle East and delays in the U.S. crypto regulation are also fueling this anxiety in the market. Okay, and then there's also despite the expectations, Bitcoin has recently diverged from tech stocks and fallen. So that is that failed tech correlation is also, and that's from Bloomberg, that's also another reason why we have this downturn, that Bitcoin has diverged some from its correlation to tech stocks. And then there's also a reduction in trading volume, and that's contributed to higher volatility in the market and sharper price drops. So there are many reasons. We have multiple reasons why the price of Bitcoin and most cryptos have had a downturn in the market at the beginning of this year. And so remember, this is temporary. We're just getting a snapshot of the market, and we do expect for the market in its own time, when some of these reasons level out, we do expect the market to, especially the crypto market, to go back up. But right now, this is a snapshot. We have a long-term focus, and when these prices are down like this, it usually doesn't stay down. So just a little more information, a little more insight into the crypto market and into the prices that we're seeing right now, and hoping that this information helps you to prepare yourself so that you will not be surprised as this volatility continues for the short term, that you will prepare for the long term. So until next time, take care. Bye-bye.